Hello, my name is Kok Sin. In this video, I want to introduce the function of reviews and tracking. What can keep track of changes made to a document, making the text that is added known as insertion of the text dash remove known as deletion. Sometimes this is helpful when you are walking along, but it especially helpful when someone else is editing your document. You can see what changes are made and you have the option to accept or reject those changes here. How it works here, we are go out document. This is healthy living, and suppose we want to change the word in this paragraph. We are going to change being healthy mean eating right and exercising to a long healthy life. The first thing to do if you want to track change in the document is to go out here to the review tab and then turn on the track change. Just by clicking that button, you can see it has a few different options, but track change is the one that you want to toggle on, and this will be highlighted if you are tracking the change. Now, if I select eating and I type in drinking, it deleting the word eating and editing the word drinking, and we can see that change in my document. I can do something down here. So now we have two edit in the document and we can see them how it we find it difficult to work in that video. What you can do is go out here to the display in the tracking group. Here this display menu and choose simple maker, and then it just shows us the change that we are made when we see all maker. It shows us the change with the edit in place, both the text that's deleted and then the text that is settled. It is underlined. We are get the leader back along the side here to show it. You quickly scanning a page, you can see while whatever while the edit are. Now if we want to see the original, you can just go to the original and click then, and then goes black. Our means goes black to 18, and we do not see the edit that we made. So that's how the wheels were usually the easiest one to work with. Is either this simple maker of all maker. If you want to see the market, suppose somebody had made change to this document and I want to see what change they are made, I might start at the very beginning of my document. I am up here that I go to my change list and I could click on next. and I will jump to the first edit and display it for me. I can see the deleted word and the added, and I can accept or reject that change. So if I click accept, it goes ahead and it makes that change. It removes the deleted word, and if I select as expert accept of the change word, so it officially accepted that and my text has changed permanently, that I edit will no longer show on the track change list. And if I want to go through at the all the edit in my document, I can just keep clicking next to go forward through the list of previous to go back through the list, and again you can accept the change as they occur, and that's the way it works. I am going to undo here, put my change back now. In this view you can see marker in the document. You can also see the reviewing pane will show the marker. This is a little bit more and show little bit more elaborate list of the changes that occurs in the document, and it keep track of edit and deletion and show them in here, and you can just to then just by double clicking on this list. So it just give you another ways to view the same thing personally, find it easily just to work within the document when I am working on accepting and rejecting edit in my text. In this lesson, you saw how to track change as you edit text. You also learn how to change the display between the final in the original document. You learn how to navigate through the edit so that you can accept and reject the change. Thank you.